Hello and welcome on this channel. In today's video we show you how you can prepare your Morita rifle or any other cosplay gun that it looks used and that it has been in the mud and in the battles. We also give you many tips and we show you how it's done. So relax, lean back and enjoy the video. Have fun.
And you see that it extends the structure. Especially it looks not like metal. So, and how we can change it to look a bit more as used metal. So old metal, which is dirty and yeah, long time use.
What do we do now?
We do some adjustment in coloring. I have some adjusted parts, so there were some holes and I did some glue in it and I have to repaint it. So I need some gloves for that. Okay, I put some color in it and I take a small brush to adjust these areas. Of course you can do it also with a spray can, but in this case you have to cover the other parts, that they not will be hit by the greenish color. Here I have also some small adjustments. See. Okay, this was already done. Oh. And in next step I will show how you can change the coloring so that it looks like more metal. Okay, after you use the spray can, it is recommendable to blow out the remaining color in the head, and then you could store it.
Why would you do that?
Yeah, because next time you couldn't use that because your color exit would be glued and yeah, it's no longer usable.
Tip.
Yeah,
Tip.
Right, tip. So for the next step I have prepared. The Morita is already black colored, so as well for the rear plate, also for the Morita inside mechanics and also the front panel and the pump gun grip. So, but it looks not so really realistic and especially it looks not like metal. So, and how we can change it to look a bit more as used metal. So old metal, which is dirty and yeah, long time used. So, and the method what I use is to put some silver color into any pot. Simply do something in it and then you use a big brush. A big brush, you put it into the silver color to have something on the brush head, but then you don't put it immediately on the black color. You dry it first. So you dry it first so that the brush hairs are very dry. And then you go carefully over the surface and you see that it extends the structure. So it looks like silver. And you brush over those details.
Yeah.
So, and they will, yeah, they will improve this look.
Cool. You can really see a difference.
Yeah, it has also a shine in the light, and you see small scratches also in it. So now it's dried out. I have to redo it. So I repeat it. I try the brush because I need it dry, and I continue.
It really looks like a metal which has been used a lot.
Yeah.
You can really see a difference. Maestro at work.
So and on that way you can uncover details. Because if you have black stripes on a black background, you see no difference. But if you unhide it, so then you have a nice metallic look. What is it?
Yeah, it looks really like it's made of metal.
Yeah.
So this is the before look.
Yeah, it's just black.
Just black.
Just black. So and now we go carefully over the surface with the very dry silver colored brush, and we unhide the details. So especially all of these structures and these ones, so they are now more in the foreground. So yeah, you can bring them in the foreground. So that is the main idea, to get a more realistic 3D effect.
Yeah.
That's it. Same we do for the rear cover panel sheet or whatever it is. Yeah,
Cool.
I think that's already all. Don't forget to, if you want to use it tomorrow.
Can save extra money.
That's right. So what we could do now is also some kind of weathering.
What is weathering?
Weathering is to give the model an old used look.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so that you have the impression it is already used since years.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So I know that the next layer below the color is black. So and therefore I try, and I put no primer between that, because the idea is that I could do afterwards some weathering. So it works not always in the same way. So therefore I can only try what we will hit today, and to get such kind of effect. So I hope that some parts of the color layer will put out if I put a piece of tape on it.
Okay. You damage the
Yes,
the color.
Yeah. So I glue it on it, and then I put it from that. So and you see here some of those small black holes, which was created now by taking out this tape. So you can repeat that and hoping that there is some of this effect. Yeah, we got also some. As I said, it is not working always in the same reproducible way, but on some places you have such kind of effect, on some places not. So another good trick is to force that by a bit acetone. So because acetone solves the color, and if we do it carefully, we can reach also such kinds of effect. I need a bit of fabric, and I put some acetone on the surface in a careful way. I hope. Yes. So you see here, you get such kind of black edges. So, and that is simply by washing out the color from the surface. So, and you can repeat it on different parts, especially here in this area. Here you see the effect very well. So it looks really used.
Like it has been gripped.
Yeah, like it has been gripped a lot of time. So here you can wash it out and you try it, and then you have exactly this effect. So of course it could be also on the cover. So, and another tip is shoe polish.
Okay.
So let me grab that. So yeah, this is a standard shoe polish, as you could get it in any store, and you put it on the surface, and then you can remove it again, and you repeat it so that the shoe polish will glue into the holes. So, and on that way, you get this look, as the dirt would glue into the edges. So, and that you have.
If you're a lazy soldier, you never clean your Morita.
Yes, exactly. So, but here you can have this.
But we are always in combat situations, so we don't have time.
So we
Bugs are everywhere.
we need that. Here you see this effect is very strong. Oh, maybe on this. Okay, that looks also very nice. Oh, maybe on this position here. Here we have also such long holes. Yeah, that looks great.
Yeah.
That looks really great. So, and another tip is to make it some kind of dusty. So there is a very fine powder or a type of sand, and you can. Yes. It is. Yeah. So you can get it in your
Drugstore, right?
pharmacy. Yeah. And you put some of this dust onto the Morita to get this desert impression, and you distribute it with a brush. That's it. Looks as it was used over years.
Yeah. And when is this Morita finished, completely?
Here is missing nothing, so nothing. So we have to put on the flush hider. We need a belt from the Nerf gun. So put a belt on it. And of course we need a magazine to load it.
Yeah. What's up, fellow cosplayers? I hope you enjoyed the video. In the next episode we will show you a Morita Nerf gun. We will show you the inside of this Morita and how this works. So stay tuned. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you like this channel with all the Starship Troopers German Division stuff, hit the subscribe button. We will appreciate it.